Hey, Bobette, this is Ron with Stick Checking. How are you?
I'm good, Mr. Ron. How are you?
Good. Did you get that sample I sent you?
I did, and we love it. We love the way it was packaged. It was a great presentation when we got it. I enjoyed the feel of it. It looks fabulous. We've got it sitting right up front by our customers so they can play and pull and tug, and everybody likes to feel something nowadays.
What did you think of the new Pro Series cover?
And I would tell you this, the owner was up here when I opened the package. So that made it even better. And she was just like, let me feel that. I gave it to her. We went and got one of the other ones off the shelf. I said, what do you think? She said, I definitely think this is going to go. And I said, I think so too. I love it. I think they're going to like it. And so we're going to really push that. Fishing season opens back up in January, full swing.
Hmm.
And that's going to be our number one push.
Hoping they're going to be available for Thanksgiving. All right. Thank you, Bobette. I really appreciate your help.
I thank you and talk to you soon.